Hello friends. Now here is the step-by-step solution of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication. We solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step says solve the innermost parentheses. Now there is a 3 multiply by 3 and it will get 9. According to this step, BODMAS dictates the clearing parentheses first from inside out. And now the current expression becomes square bracket 81. So now the current expression becomes, according to the next step, solve the curly braces. Now in the curly braces there is a division. Now first we divide the values. 81 divided by 9. It will become 9 as a result. According to this step, the next outermost layer of brackets must be fully resolved. And now the current expression becomes square bracket 9 multiplied by root 144 square bracket of plus 20% of 200. Move to the next step. According to the next step, evaluate the square root. So now there is a square root 144. Now root 144 is equals to 12. Since we know 12 multiplied by 12 gets 144. And according to this step, the roots, orders, exponents are prioritized next. And now the current expression becomes 9 multiplied by 12 square bracket of plus 20% of 200. Now move to the next step. According to the next step, solve the square brackets. Now in these square brackets there is a multiplication. Now first we multiply the digits. 9 multiplied by 12 is 108. According to this step, multiply the remaining values inside the square brackets and this completes the entire B section of the rule. And according to this step, current expression becomes 108 plus 20% of 200. So now move to the next step. According to the next step, solve of percentage and 20% of 200, which means 20% multiplied by 200. Now calculated 20 multiplied by 200 upon 100. Now cut it down zeros and after multiplying we'll get 40 as a result. According to this expression, the of operator is evaluated before basic operation like addition. And now the current expression becomes 108 plus 40. So now finally add the values, add the final two remaining numbers together. Now 108 plus 40 is equals to 148 as a final result. According to this step, addition is the final operation required to finish the problem. So now according to this expression, the conclusion says by breaking the problem down using strictly BODMAS, priority lanes complex nested layer becomes straightforward arithmetic steps. Removing the brackets progressively and from inside to the outside prevents errors and lead to the directly to the accurate final result of this expression is 148. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.